Good afternoon, fourth standard. Our today's topic is rounding off numbers. Rounding off. Rounding off numbers means making a number simpler but keeping its value close to what it was. Rounding means making a number ഒരു നമ്പറിനെ സിംപ്ലർ ഫോമിലാക്കി മാറ്റുന്നതിനെയാണ് റൗണ്ടിങ് നമ്പേഴ്സ് എന്ന് പറയുക. ഓക്കെ. Now we are going to do rounding numbers to the nearest 10. Rounding numbers to the nearest 10. Before that, we will go through the rules of rounding off to the nearest 10. Okay. So, we have to go through the rules of rounding off to the nearest 10 now. The rules are: if the digit at one's place is less than 5, replace one's digit by 0 and keep the other digit as they are. If the digit at one's place is less than 5, replace one's digit by 0 and keep the other digit as they are. This is the first condition. Okay. Second condition is, if the digit at one's place is 5 or more than 5, increase 10's digit by 1 and replace 1's digit by 0. Okay. Second condition is, if the digit at one's place is 5 or more than 5, increase 10's digit by 1 and replace 1's digit by 0. Okay. So children, when we rounding off to the nearest 10, we have to check the ones place first. Ones place. Okay. So children, let us do few questions related to this topic. Our first question is 24. We are rounding this number to the nearest 10. Nearest 10. Okay. So, first we have to check the ones place. Ones place. This is the ones place. Ones, tens. The number is 24. Ones, tens. Now we are going to round the number to the nearest 10. Nearest 10. First check the digit at the ones place. That is 4. 4. 4 means which is less than 5. 4 is less than 5. So apply the first condition. What is the first condition? If the digit at one's place is less than 5, replace the ones digit by 0. Replace the ones digit by 0. So here this 4 becomes 0 and write the digit at the tens place, that is 2. 2. Okay. So 24 becomes 20. 20. So children, here we are rounding 24 to the nearest 10. 24-നെ നമ്മൾ nearest 10-ലേക്ക് round ചെയ്യണം. First step is check the digit at the ones place. Ones placeലെ digits നോക്കാം. It is 4. 4 means which is less than 5. 4 is less than 5. Okay. So the next step is replace the ones digit. Replace പറഞ്ഞാൽ 4 എന്നുള്ള ഡിജിറ്റ് മാറ്റിയിട്ട് അവിടെ 0 എഴുതണം. ഓക്കെ. റീപ്ലേസ് അത് മാറ്റുക. ഓക്കെ. ചേഞ്ച് 4 ആസ് 0. 4നെ 0 ആക്കി. Write the digit at the tens place, that is 2. Don't change the digit at the tens place. So what is our answer? 20. Clear? Our next question is 57. 57. We are going to round this digit to the nearest 10. Same steps, children. First, we have to check the ones place. Ones place. This is ones, this is tens. Ones place check chedu. Okay. Which digit is at ones place? 7. Is 7 more than or less than 5? 7 is more than 5. Isn't it? 7 is more than 5. 7 5-നേക്കാൾ biggest number ആണ്. അല്ലേ? So, what is the next step? Replace this 7 by 0, then add 1 to the tens place. Add 1 to the tens place. So 5 plus 1 becomes 6. So our answer is 60. 60. Okay. So children, here 57 becomes 60. How will we get the answer? First, we have to check the digit at the ones place. The digit at the ones place is 7. Right. The digit at the ones place is 7. Here 7 is greater than 5. 7 is greater than 5. So what will we do? We replace 7 by 0. 7 മാറ്റിയിട്ട് 0 എഴുതി. Then we add 1 to this 5, that is 6. So our answer is 60. 60. Clear? Now our next question is 32. 32. Check the digit at the ones place. 2. So what is the step, children? Change it as 0. Replace it as 0 because 2 is less than 5. Then write the digit at the tens place, 3. So our answer is 30. Okay. If the digit at the ones place is less than 5, ones place digit 5-നേക്കാൾ smaller number ആണെങ്കിൽ ones place-നെ 0 ആക്കി മാറ്റി tens place എഴുതാം. Okay. Suppose our next number is 43. Check the digit at the ones place. 3. 3 is less than 5. So what will we do? Replace 3 by 0. Ones place-നെ 0 ആക്കി write the same digit at tens place. So our answer becomes 40. Okay. Suppose the digit at ones place is more than 5. Here 6 is more than 5. The number is 16. Here the digit at ones place is 6. 6 is more than 5. So what will we do? First replace the 6 by 0. 6 മാറ്റിയിട്ട് അവിടെ 0 ആക്കുക. Then add 1 to the digit at the tens place. 1 plus 1 is 2. Write 2 here. So 16 becomes 20. 20. Okay. Here the digit at the ones place is 6, which is more than 5. So replace 6 by 0. 6-നെ change ചെയ്ത് 0 ആക്കി മാറ്റി. Then we have to do one more step here. Add 1 to the digit at the tens place. Tens place-ലെ digit-ൻ്റെ കൂടെ 1 add ചെയ്യണം. So here the digit at the tens place is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Clear? Now let us do the 3-digit numbers, children. 572. 572. Same steps, children. Same steps. Check the digit at the ones place, which is 2. 2 is less than 5. 2 is less than 5. So, change 2 as 0. 2 as 0. Replace 2 as 0. Then write the other 2 digits. That is digit at the tens place and hundreds place. So, 572 becomes 570. 570. Clear? Here the given digit is a 3-digit number. So, first check the digit at the ones place. Check the digit at the ones place which is less than 5. Less than 5 ആണെങ്കിൽ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം എന്നാ ടീച്ചർ പറഞ്ഞത്? Replace that digit by 0. ആ ഡിജിറ്റിനെ മാറ്റിയിട്ട് 0 ആക്കുക. Then write the remaining digit, that is digit at tens place and hundreds place. So our answer is 570. Okay. Next number is 589. The 3-digit number. Same steps, children. Check the digit at the ones place, that is 9. 9 is more than 5. 9 is more than 5. So, if the digit is more than 5, replace that digit by 0. 9 replace either 0 aki. Then our next step is add 1 to the digit at the tens place. Tens place ile digit inde kuda 1 add cheya. Here the digit at tens place is 8. So 8 plus 1 is 9. So 8 becomes 9. And write the other digit at hundreds place, that is 5. So our answer is 590. Okay. So children, here our question is 589. When we are rounding this number to nearest 10, check the digit at the ones place, which is 9. 9 is more than, greater than 5. So first replace 9 by 0. 9 ne maati 0 akka. Then add 1 to the digit at the tens place. Add 1 to the digit at the tens place. 8 plus 1 is 9. So 8 becomes 9 and write the remaining digit, that is digit at the hundreds place. So our answer is 589 becomes 590. Clear? Now our next number is 185. Same steps. Check the digit at the ones place, which is 5. 5 is equal to 5. If the digit at the ones place is 5 or more than 5, 5 or 5 il kooduthalu aanengil nammal endu cheyanam? Change the digit at ones place as 0. 0 ആക്കി മാറ്റുക. Then add 1 to the digit at the tens place. 8 plus 1 is 9 and write the digit at the hundreds place. Don't change the digit at the hundreds place. So 185 becomes 190. Okay. So children, here first we check the digit at the ones place, which is 5. 5 is equal to 5. If the digit at ones place is 5 or more than 5, replace ones digit by 0. Ones digit ne 0 ആക്കി മാറ്റുക. Then we need to add 1 to the digit at the tens place. Tens place ile digit inde kuda 1 add cheya. So 8 plus 1 becomes 9. Then write the digit at the hundreds place, which is 1. So our answer is 190. Clear? Next is a 4-digit number. For any number of digits, the method is same, children. Check the digit at the ones place, which is 8. 8 is more than 5. So what is our next step? Replace 8 by 0. Then since the digit is more than 5, add 1 to the digit at the tens place. Tens place digit in the order 1 add. What is 3 plus 1? 4. And write the digit at the hundreds place and thousands place. So our answer is 1138 becomes 1140. Okay. So children, here the given number is a 4-digit number. So the places are ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Our first step is check the digit at the ones place. Here the ones place is 8. 8 is greater than 5. So replace 8 by 0. 8 ne maati 0 akka. Then add 1 to the digit at the tens place. The digit at the tens place is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Then write the remaining digits. That is digit at the hundreds place and digit at the thousands place. So 1, 1. So 1140. Clear? Now our next number is 1738. Here the ones place is 8. 8 is more than 5. So first replace 8 by 0. 8 ne matta 0 akka. Then add 1 to the tens place. 3 plus 1 is 4. Then write the hundreds place, that is 7, and thousands place 1. So 1738 becomes 1740. Clear? So here first check digit at ones place, which is 8. That means which is more than 5. So replace that digit by 0. Then the next step is add 1 to the digit at the tens place. 3 plus 1 is 4. And write the remaining digit, that is digit at the hundreds place and thousands place. Don't change the digit at the hundreds place and thousands place. Clear? Next is 1264. First check the which place, children? Say, check the digit at the ones place. 4. 4 is less than 5. 4 is less than 5. So what will we do? Simply replace 4 by 0 and write the remaining digits. Okay. 4 ne 0 aki matta. Only one step. If the digit is less than 5, we need to do only one step. That is, replace one's digit by 0. Then write the digit at the tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. So our answer is 1260. 1264 becomes 1260. Clear? So children, when we are rounding the following numbers to nearest 10, 32 becomes 30, 30, 24 becomes 20, 16 becomes 20, 572 becomes 570, 589 becomes 590, then 185 becomes 190, 1138 becomes 1140, 738 becomes, sorry children, 1740, then 1264 becomes 1260. Children, check the last digit in the numbers, that is 0. 0. the last digit is 0. See, all digits are 0. So, when we are rounding a number to the nearest 10, the last digit will always be 0. Okay. So, children, when we are rounding a number to the nearest 10, first we will go through the rules of the rounding of the nearest 10. That is, we have to check the ones place first. Ones place first. Okay. നമ്മൾ ടെൻസിലേക്ക് റൗണ്ട് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ check the ones place first. Then the first condition is, if the digit at the ones place is less than 5, replace the ones place by 0 and write the other digits. Okay. Don't change the other digit. Just one step. What is the one step? Ones place become 0. അത്രേ ചെയ്യണ്ടു. Okay. If the ones place is less than 0, replace ones place by 0. That's all. Then write the remaining digits. Okay. The second condition is, if the digit at ones place is 5 or more than 5, 5 or more than 5, then here we have to do 2 steps. First step is replace one's digit by 0, and second step is add 1 to the digit at the tens place. Okay. Let us show one more example. If our number is 77, here the digit at ones place 7, that means 7 is more than 5. So 7 becomes 0, ones place 0 I mari, then add 1 to the digit at the tens place, 7 plus 1 is 80. Okay. Suppose our digit is 73. 3 is less than 5. So only one step. Replace 3 by 0 and write the digit at the tens place. Okay. So children, today you learned how to round a given number to the nearest 10. Hope you all understood this topic. If you have any doubt about this topic, please send me a message. Okay. Thank you.